The DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60V Max * circular saw with brake kit, 7 to 1/4 inch, model DCS578X2, is designed to cater to the needs of both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. This saw is part of DEWALT's innovative FlexVolt system, which ensures versatility and efficiency, allowing users to switch between different voltages to suit their tools and applications. At the forefront of its design is the 60V Max * battery technology, which provides ample power for demanding tasks while maintaining decent runtime. The 7 to 1/4 inch blade diameter is standard for circular saws, providing a good balance between cutting capacity and maneuverability. One notable feature of this model is the electric brake, which stops the blade quickly after the trigger is released. This safety feature enhances user control and reduces the risk of accidents, a consideration that is critical for both professionals and those new to power tools. The saw is equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, which not only extends the tool's lifespan but also maximizes runtime per charge. This is particularly beneficial for extended projects where changing batteries could interrupt workflow. The saw's maximum cut depth of 2 9/16 inches at 90 degrees allows for a wide range of cutting applications, from framing to plywood and decking materials. In terms of usability, the DEWALT DCS578X2 offers an integrated rafter hook, allowing for easy storage on job sites and quick access when needed. The lightweight design, combined with an ergonomic handle, contributes to user comfort during extended use. Additionally, it features an LED light that illuminates the cutting area, which can be especially useful in dimly lit environments. When using the DEWALT FLEXVOLT circular saw, users will appreciate the smooth operation and the ability to perform precise cuts with ease. The depth and bevel adjustments are intuitive, enabling quick changes to suit specific cutting requirements. This level of adaptability makes it a reliable addition to any tool collection. In summary, the DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60V Max * circular saw with brake kit is a well-rounded tool that effectively addresses the needs of its users with a combination of power, safety features, and ease of use. Whether for professional construction tasks or home improvement projects, this saw delivers solid performance while prioritizing user comfort and safety.